3 weeks ago, Melanie got a text message that changed everything. It wasn't from her boss. It wasn't from her husband. It was from her property manager. Rent deposited $2,847. While she was in surgery, saving lives, her houses were making money. And she's not alone. There's a secret that busy professionals have discovered, one that Wall Street doesn't want you to know. Turnkey is one of the simplest ways to get started with passive real estate investing, especially if you're busy and just want the income without the headaches. It's called turnkey real estate. You buy a house that's already fixed up, it's already rented, it's already managed. You keep your job and you use your income to qualify for financing. And someone else handles the tenants, the toilets, and the headaches. But there's one mistake that 73% of first-time turnkey buyers make. And Melanie almost made it. Melanie was 24 hours from wiring $35,000 to buy a property in a market she had never visited. The tenant photos were stock images. The lease was forged. The property manager was a guy with a Gmail account and no business license. She was ready to send her life savings to a complete stranger, but something didn't sit right. She paused, asked for proof, and everything unraveled. That's the mistake 73% of first-time buyers make. They trust the provider more than the process. They skip the inspection. They don't verify rent rolls. They never speak to the property manager directly. They're so eager for passive income, they overlook the due diligence. Don't make that mistake. This is exactly why Melanie's story matters. Because every month you wait, someone else is buying the property you should have. Every month you delay, inflation is eating your savings. Every month you hesitate, you're working harder for money instead of that money working for you. Real estate flips that equation. So what does it actually take? 2 to 3 hours upfront analyzing the deal, a few emails to coordinate the purchase, and 10 to 20 minutes per month reviewing performance. You don't need a team. You don't need 10 properties. One deal done right can start changing everything. Some months you forget you even own the thing. Others, you approve a repair or a lease renewal. You're not managing tenants. You're managing a cash flow machine someone else built for you. This is what investing in real estate while working a full-time job actually looks like. I mean, quitting your job? That's the dream, and give it time, but your job is leverage. It helps you qualify for financing. It provides consistent income, and it gives you options. Use your job to build your portfolio. Let your income fund your escape plan. And when the time's right, then you decide if you want to leave. Now, turnkey, it isn't perfect. You pay for convenience, margins can be tighter, but if you buy the right house in the right market with the right team, it works. Because the goal isn't just to buy properties, it's to buy back your time, to build legacy, to sleep better at night, to look your kids in the eye and say, I built something for you. But also to enjoy the freedom now, to know your investments are covering your bills, replacing your income, and buying you breathing room while you're still here to enjoy it. You benefit today, and they benefit tomorrow. To help you through this, I put together a free resource, The Frustrated Investor's Guide to Passive Income. It's linked down below. But here's the thing, not all turnkey deals are created equal. In fact, 4 out of 10 are complete disasters. Properties that look great on paper, but are money pits in disguise. Providers who disappear after you wire the money. Markets that look hot, but are actually dying. Fake tenants, phantom rehab, hidden code violations. And that's why I made this video right here for you, to show you the exact red flags to watch out for before you make a mistake that you can't undo. Because the difference between a good turnkey deal and a bad one isn't just money. It's your entire financial future. And like Melanie, the next text you get could change everything. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care.